So the goal of this is to make a new trimmer. As we know with the Wahl detailer, we have a rotary engine. And the reason why I don't use this anymore is that it's broke right here, so it's hard for the blade to attach. Put that aside. What you're going to need is you're going to need either a 5-star blade or a T-wide blade. Both of them will work for this purpose. You're going to need yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to need yourself a tattoo. We begin by removing these 2 screws right here. So what this will do is we'll end up with a new trimmer with a magnetic motor rather than a rotary motor. So we'll have that DC motor in here. We're going to use the T-wide. Same way we removed it, we're going to reinstall it. And there you have it. A Wahl Tattoo T-wide trimmer. That'll be it for this video, guys. If you guys have taken any 2 machines and combined them together to make one, tell me about it in the comment section below. I'm curious to see what you guys have come up with. So you see, we repurposed and recycled. Now we have a usable tool. We have a trimmer that we can put back in the arsenal and keep using. It could be a backup, or it could be a main hitter, it could be a starter. Anyways, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching and joining me. Don't forget, this is the Lacey 1111, and go ahead and drop me a comment in the section below. If it ain't too much, hit the thumbs up, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I think it'd be a great time to do so now. I have a couple other videos coming up in the near future on my YouTube schedule. I have some reviews. I have the Andis Slimline 2 with the T-blade, the BTF2 model, and we have the Slimline Pro Li, the D8 model, and we have the VersaTrim BTF model. And from Babyliss, we have the Gold Effect skeleton trimmer review that we'll be doing shortly. And we have some comparisons also in the works. We're going to have the Gold Effects versus the Slimline Pro Li. And we're going to have the Slimline versus the Slimline. Yes, the Pro Li versus the Slimline 2. The BTF2 model, and we're going to do a video on how to zero gap the Wahl Magic Clip cordless clippers, excuse me. So yeah, stick around for that, guys. I just want to thank you guys for watching again, and I'm out of here.